Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to G-Code Tutor. In this series of lessons, I'm going to teach you how to program a CNC milling machine using the FANUC G-Code. Once we've covered the basics, I'll then move on to teaching about the different cycles we use, like G81 drilling cycles, G83 peg drilling cycles, tapping, and even boring a large diameter hole. We also make a part, so you can see how these things work in a real-world environment. In this course, I cover how to program a CNC machine from all the cycles available to us to helicoil milling and programming different parts and shapes and profiles. Here at G-Code Tutor, I teach how to program CNC machines, so it's easy to follow and quick to understand.